My dear students, today we will learn about the business model canvas. This is very important model. As far we know, an idea and a model is different thing. So we have to know firstly what is these things, and if you have a good idea but not a good model you have, then you can't run your business. So this is very important. So firstly, business model canvas, you can see that we have to know what is the definition of business model and what is the purpose of business model canvas. So the definition: a business model describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers and captures value. So the rationale or the logic of how an organization creates, delivers and captures value. So in these things, a organization is creating value and delivering value to the customers and capturing value by making money. You can see on the right side the business model canvas. We will discuss it. So business model canvas, we will discuss the 9 building blocks of this business model canvas after the definition. So before this, you have to generate an idea. You can generate the idea from your passion. The idea will come from experience and from your passion. The thing you are most passionate about, you will work on this and you will get this challenge. So getting from business idea to business model, firstly you have to identify the challenge, the problem. So the identifying the challenge means the problem you want to solve or the challenge you want to solve. This is the identify of challenge, my friends, and this that needs to be addressed or solved. This is identify the challenge. This is the thing. And after that, select the idea. Select the idea is also important. The idea or the solution is this. Select the idea. This is your prototype solution. And for confidentiality, you may want to use a practice idea when you present sometimes, and build the model. Then you have to use the business canvas model. The business canvas model you have to the business model canvas you have to use. This is BMC, business model canvas you have to use, and 9 building blocks you have to use also. And tell the story. You have to tell a story in everywhere in a presentation, that why you are working with this challenge and how you will fulfilling this challenge, or how you will complete this challenge, and what means what is your challenge. What is your challenge and how can you effectively make this challenge? That are the problems, solutions. So now we will discuss the business model canvas. So firstly, you can see that firstly we have to discuss with these 9 building blocks. Firstly we have to discuss with this customer segments. The customer segments is very important here. Customer segments, you make work with 5 to 7 customer segments. And customer segments, before this, these 9 building blocks that show the logic of how a company intends to win customers and make money. These things showing the logics. So the customer segments may be 5 to 7 customer segments. A business or organization serves one or more. Then we have to work with this value proposition. The value you are offering your customers, that is value proposition. value proposition is very important. Your this kind of service or this kind of product may adding this value. What are the values? And after this, channels means you need to determine how you will communicate and deliver the value proposition to the customer segment. So how you will deliver the value proposition to the customer segment, the vehicles, the chains, the logistics, that are the channels. And after that, customer relationship, you have to build a very meaningful customer relationships. This is very important. After this, you have to work with this 5 number revenue streams. Revenue streams is mainly value capturing. That means you makes money by these things. And after this, number 6, you will work with key resources. There are 4 kinds of key resources. You can note down this. They are physical, intellectual, human and financial. Physical key resources are raw material, buildings, machines, etc. that are tangible, and intellectual key resources are intangible resources. They are brands, like brands, proprietary knowledge, patents and copyrights, partnerships, customer database. These are the examples of intellectual key resources. And financial key resources that are related to money. All these things, and human key resources, all these things are the key resources you can use. And after this key resources, you can work with key activities. Key activities are very important things, most important actions that company takes to operate successfully. The operations, the production, sales and marketing, finance, administration, all are the things are key activities, my friends. And after this, we will work with key partners. Key partners are also important. There may be a joint venture or maybe these kinds of joint venture or anything. They are strategic alliances between non-competitive. These are the key partnerships. And cost structure, the last thing of 9 building blocks, cost structure. You need to identify all the costs involved in creating and delivering the customer value proposition. So these are the 9 building blocks, friend. If you like my video, then subscribe. We will upload more videos about this 9 building blocks and customer and the business model canvas. Thank you, friends, and welcome, and thank you for watching.